Welcome back to Trigger Country 1791. Today we're going to do a quick review on the Talon grips, but this time we're doing the slide grips. And first of all, we're going to show that this gun does not have a magazine in it, or is there one in the chamber. So this is a safe gun. First of all, before we go any further, make sure when you're working on your guns you have no ammunition or no magazines where you're working at. That's important. And I'm going to stress on that. So that's all that we need to say is stay safe and just don't put yourself in a situation where an accident can happen. So that being said, this is the Glock 21. This is the Gen 5 MOS. And the slide grips, folks. I'm going to tell you right now, I never thought that I really would need these or think how much they would make a difference, but I'm going to tell you, this is where it's at. Not just the hand grip, but this slide grip on these Glocks, I'm going to tell you, makes a big difference. This is, like I said, the MOS, so they have perfectly made these things to fit just flawless. And this is the only Glock that I do not have an optic on, which they make it where you can take this plate system off and your side grips on your indentions will stay on there, and that top piece will come off with that part of the grip, and you'll have your optic and your grip on your thumb on your hand side right there. And your front grip, I did have to notch this out a little bit. I do run a night sight on the front of this Glock 21, and they are a little bit longer than your factory Glock sights, so I did have to notch that a little bit, but I mean, it looks very clean. Took a pair of scissors and just cut out my area for it, and just took a little bit of time, a couple minutes to do it. Make sure you got it right and it's even. And as you'll see in this video, we're going to kind of speed up through the process and just show you how easy it is. Only thing you're going to need that they do not send you is a hairdryer, and that's just to heat up the grips and to firmly press them once you're done. But I will say that it is very important. In your little package, you're going to get, of course, you're going to get a sticker. This is some other extra some hand grips I got, another Pro and the granulate series for whenever this one goes bad, which I've had them on here for several months. We go to the range once or twice a week. Between our 45s and our 9s, I mean, we could go through, anywhere from 700 to 800 rounds easily a week. So these guns do get used. So as far as your hand oil, sweat, and everything else, these grips have had it on it, and they still look like they do when it was day one. Very, very nice. I mean, you're not going to get a better product. They are the best grip that there is. There is no, you can't change my mind on that. Made here in the USA, and that is a big thing right there too. So they got a lot of years behind their name, and go to the website. They got grips for everything. Other guns, I mainly know about the ones with the Glocks, but other makes, and they also have it for other products too. So go check them out. And like I said, we'll go through a quick process, and I'll kind of speed it up and just show you how easy it is. First of all, use these alcohol wipes. You want to clean your gun very good. When it comes to your handle area or your slide, make sure you use these alcohol wipes that they send to get all that residue and oil off. That is a big issue when it comes to putting these on. That way everything's good and clean and everything sticks the way it's supposed to, and especially when you heat it up, you will not have an issue whatsoever with it. So, but here we go. We're going to go through the process of putting this grip on. And earlier, you're going to use these alcohol wipes that they send you. Make sure you get all the oil and residue off of the gun before you go putting these grips on. That is a important step, and just kind of, line them up. Just kind of, you want to look at them a little bit first and just make sure that You kind of know where exactly you're going to be sticking it at and everything. And once you pull it off, they precisely make these and get these grips cut out. But there is a little bit of wiggle room, and but they do a tremendous job making these grips to fit on these guns the way they do. This Glock had I got night sights on it, so the sight is a little bit longer than a regular stock Glock sight, front sight. So I had to cut it out with a pair of scissors prior. And once I got it on, I realized that I needed to trim a little bit more up. So I just pulled it right back off. Took my pair of scissors and was able to trim what I needed to trim up. And like I said, just take your time with them. They are very easy to put on. Follow the instructions. They send you everything. The only thing you need is a hairdryer. But just kind of go around, make sure you got everything pushed in where it needs to be at, and just make sure you like how it fits. And once you get all that set and you like it, it's time for the hairdryer. And there you go, folks. It's that easy. Uh, you cannot beat these the way Talon grips have made their products and how easy they are to put on, and the durability and how long they last. You know, and these things are not gonna drain your pocket to buy these. They keep their prices right, and you're not gonna get a better grip, point blank. So I don't know what y'all's thoughts are on the Talon grips as far as their slide grips and you know, hand grips. But just leave your comments. I like to hear what y'all think about them also. But you know, in my mind, they are the best ones out there on the market. So, but I hope you like this video. Hope you give me a thumbs up, and hope you subscribe. That way we can keep the channel going and keep more reviews and just keep everything rolling. And it helps me out, and it helps promote my videos. So, appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed one, and talk to y'all later.